Well, hi there. I'm Michael Hausum of the Hausum Group at Vista Pacific Realty, and this is the Orange County Real Estate Marketplace Update for the week ending the 21st of December. So I'm actually going to be out of town for the holidays. Take a look at this. Going to my brother's house in Minnesota, and this is what we're going to expect. So back to real estate, what a difference a year makes. Take a quick look at this graph showing what's going on right now versus what was going on a year ago. 36% less inventory right now. 29% more demand right now. 57 fewer days estimated marketing time. It's a 44% drop in the estimated amount of days it would take to sell a house right now. Oddly enough, the market today is warmer than it was in July. Back in July, it was a 91-day estimated marketing time. Today, it's 70. In July, it was a balanced market. Today, it's a seller's market. These are the supply numbers for inventory over the last 4 years. Take a look at year to date and where we are right now, an 18% drop in inventory in the last 2 weeks. Now this is going to continue through the end of the year. And with these limited numbers, the new year is going to start out strong for home sellers. So on the demand side, the number of new escrows has dropped about 10% in the last 2 weeks. So going into the very end of the year and at the beginning of the year, it's definitely a seller's market, although only a slight seller's market. So don't expect to see any significant price increases, if any at all. On the other hand, buyers, especially with these low interest rates and limited inventory numbers, do not expect any price decreases as well. Looking at the marketplace by price, not much has changed under $1 million over the last 2 weeks. Estimated marketing time is only up a couple of days. It's still a seller's market. Now between $1.25 million and $1.5 million, there was a big jump. 96 days up to 120 days estimated marketing time. Between $1.25 million and $1.5 million, it's gone from a balanced market to just barely a buyer's market. Now, on the other hand, between $2 and $4 million, it dropped from 285 down to 223 days estimated marketing time. Although between $2 and $4 million is only 4% of the county demand. And then going back the other way, above $4 million, massive jump, 387 days up to 518 days estimated marketing time. Now, as I always do, let's take a look at a handful of cities and see what's going on there. We're going to take a look at 5, and in only one of those cities did estimated marketing time drop. In the city of Costa Mesa, it actually became slightly warmer in the last 2 weeks. It's a seller's market with 51 days estimated marketing time, which is down 12 from 2 weeks ago, but less than half of the 135 days it was last year. In Costa Mesa, homes right now are selling at 98.1% of their asking price. In Huntington Beach, it slowed just a little bit. Still a seller's market at 64 days estimated marketing time, but that's 8 days higher than 2 weeks ago. Last year, it was 111 days estimated marketing time in Huntington. Homes in Huntington Beach are selling at 98% of their asking price. Mission Viejo slowed a little bit over the last couple weeks, although it is still the warmest market of these 5 at 47 days estimated marketing time. A year ago, double that at 90. Mission Viejo homes are selling for 98.7% of their asking price. Newport Beach also slowed a little. It's still a buyer's market at 164 days estimated marketing time, which is up 11 from 2 weeks ago. But last year, 305 days estimated marketing time for a home to sell in Newport. Newport homes are selling at 96.1% of their asking price. Finally, in Orange, it slowed again a little bit. It's still a seller's market with 52 days estimated marketing time, which was an 11-day jump from 2 weeks ago. Last year, 121 days estimated marketing time in Orange. Right now in Orange, Of these 5, they're selling for the highest percentage of asking price at 98.8%. Now, if you'd like more details on these cities or any other city in the county, please contact me. I have all this information. Also, if you would like to hear from me the 8 strategies that I recommend for sellers to get the highest possible price, or the 5 strategies that I use to help buyers negotiate the lowest price, please contact me. My number is 949-413-2371. My email address, michael@housemgroup.com. Thank you so much. Have a Merry Christmas. I will have another year forecast out right before the end of the year, so you can look forward to that. Thank you.